up today? Well, let's just say we're going to talk about Microsoft and Apple. And why are they in the news on Business Insider? Let's just say there's a very good reason why Microsoft and Apple is in the news. Let's just say Apple and Macintosh on display in its headquarters. That's why they are in the news. The Mac in the Microsoft Visitor Center. Yes, there was a Mac in the Visitor Center next to the Microsoft office. The reason why they are in the news is because they were in the Redmond headquarters. Prominent display of its visitor centers. The old original Apple Macintosh computer was in display. As you know, Microsoft and Apple has always been in competition for many years and many years, including the Androids and, you know, Apple versus Mac, Apple versus Windows. You know, remember that little commercial that says, I'm a PC. No, I'm an Apple Mac. You know, those commercials where they have the head-on competition between these two. Let's just say, even as Jobs interned the bit of Frenemies, they basically reconcile, as both business work together. Yes, you can add Microsoft Word on an Apple Mac. I'm telling you right there, you can. If you want Microsoft and PowerPoint and Excel on Apple, you can have that. If you want the iWork pages and Keynote and what was that? What was that for? Brain. Oh. Okay, either way, pages and Keynote. Oh, numbers, that's what it is for Excel. You can have that. So it's basically, it really doesn't matter between these rivals, between the iPhone versus Android and Mac versus PC. Microsoft and Apple just had bitter rivals, and because of a big tech company and the competition, and most people would prefer Windows over Apple, and most people prefer Apple over Windows. I'm just saying, I think it really doesn't matter. It's like, in the Hollywood industry world, compare Taylor Swift and Katy Perry, for an example. Taylor Swift had more successful albums compared to Katy Perry. Well, Katy Perry, I think they're equal out, basically. I'm just saying. So, basically, it's kind of like that. Taylor Swift is like Apple, kind of. And Katy Perry is like a PC. I'm just saying. So, in the early 80s, Bill Gates and Steve Jobs were... Jeez, oh man. Really? Really? Okay. Something like Frenemies. Just like Katy Perry and Taylor Swift are like this whole Frenemies deal. Frenemies. Kinda. But Gates later called a weird consideration visit in a successful attempt to have the company make Macintosh software. So, basically, they both worked together as colleagues, and they just put their differences besides, and basically, that's how they did it, basically. That's why they was in the visitor center, and, it doesn't really matter. Just like if there's a Taylor Swift, if and ever there was a Taylor Swift museum, there might be a picture of her and Katy Perry together in a frame in the visitor center. I'm just saying. It's just a little bit similar like that, but they just put their difference besides, and they work together within the software on the Apple computers. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts on this one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button up there, and make sure you follow me all over the internet at Series Live. See ya, peace, bye, and